It takes just a few taps to schedule your first show on Whatnot. Let's get started. From the Whatnot home feed, tap the plus icon and select Schedule a Show. Enter a catchy title that tells viewers what you're selling and entices them to tune in. Schedule your show about a week in advance. This gives you time to share your show on social media, and it gives viewers enough time to bookmark it and plan to show up. Now for the fun part. Add a thumbnail. An eye-catching thumbnail is one of the best ways to attract viewers to your show. A good thumbnail should include a combination of images and text information about what you'll be selling. Your thumbnail will appear in the feed with an aspect ratio of 11:17. We have an article on our Seller Academy that covers thumbnail formatting, and we'll talk more about this in a later section of these videos. Next, choose the right category to help people interested in your products find your show. Tap Schedule, and you're all set. Your show is now on Whatnot, ready to attract buyers. Now go forth and schedule those shows. For more tips and tricks, visit selleracademy.whatnot.com.